Marianne Binetti, and this is a summer moss basket. What this means is it's got moss holding it in, it's got potting soil, and it has 3 different, or actually 4 different kinds of plants in here. But now that it's midsummer, July, in the Pacific Northwest, I have my needle-nosed clippers, and I'm going to get in here and groom or tidy up this basket. So the center or thriller plant is a cordyline, and this looks great, but always know the oldest leaves are going to turn brown. So if I look down here, look what I see. Here is a brown, the oldest leaf. I rarely need to cut these oldest leaves on the cordyline. If I just get in there and give it a tug, I can usually just tug it out. Oops, that's not coming out. If it doesn't come out easy, just reach down in there with your clippers and clip it off. Okay, so removing the brown leaves on this cordyline is going to help to make it look nice and fresh and keep new growth. Now, the geraniums, they are very particular about how you prune. So you can see that these beautiful bicolored geraniums here have some faded flowers. You don't just cut out the original, the little tiny blooms. You want to get in here and get down, way down here, so you get out the stem and the whole cluster of faded blooms. And that means you can, when it's a great big one like this, look to see, are there new flowers coming? On this one, you can see there's new buds coming. I'm not going to take out the entire stem because there's more buds. But because these were a little summer weary from the sun and maybe water, I will just clip out the worst of them that are brown, just so the whole area looks a little more tidy. So you can do that. Now, we also have plants here, this white, delicate looking plant, and this one, it's a type of a euphorbia. This one, I'm looking around, there's really nothing you have to do. Don't start pruning just for the sake of pruning. Certain plants with lots of small flowers, like maybe alyssum or like this euphorbia, diamond frost, don't need any summer pruning at all. So all you're going to do is midsummer, go around, get snippy, and look for dead, oops, here's a stem here. This is a stem of a diascia plant, has lots of spent blossoms, fresh blooms here, but it's okay to just prune off these extra long blooms that are starting to look a little bit wonky. That encourages more compact growth. Let me see, oh, here's another one. I'll show you. Okay, you can see it has a lot of faded blooms here, fresh blooms at the top. I'm getting in here, I'm clipping them off just to encourage more compact growth down on the inside of the plant. So now that basket's going to look much better, bloom much better. We have a lot of summer left to enjoy the flowers. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.